It's about 3 o'clock on Wednesday, 9/28/22, Tampa Bay area. We're about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes north of Sarasota. We lost power about 1 o'clock. Figured I'd just take a little video of the roads. A lot of debris, a lot of leaves. Saw a tree down, not too bad yet, but these are just the outer bands. A lot of branches, a lot of moss, sticks, leaves. Okay, approaching more debris. Not really sure I want to actually drive over that because it will get stuck under my car. Pretty quiet out. This girl wants her window down. Okay, going for a ride. Free hurricane car ride.